In today's video, we are going to be making unique molten cheese burst chicken burger, loaded cheese inside and outside. Hi everyone, this is your host Sharmila and welcome back to our channel Sharmila's Kitchen. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also watch Sharmila's Kitchen recipes in Hindi and Bengali. Subscribe to Bengali Cooking with Sharmila for Bengali recipes and Sharmila's Kitchen Hindi for Hindi recipes. The links will be shared in the description below. So let's get into the recipe. First we will make the basic marination to the chicken. Add ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, vinegar, black pepper powder, tomato ketchup, salt, corn flour. Rub the spices with the chicken. Cover it with cling film or any other plate. Keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. Add butter to a hot pan. Once it melts, add maida or refined flour or AP flour. Roast until color changes. Add milk and keep stirring. Let the flour dissolve completely. Grate some processed cheese and add directly to the sauce. Also add salt and oregano for flavor. Stir well. The sauce will thicken up soon. If the sauce is in flowing consistency, take out, because after cooling down, the sauce will become thicker. Now roast the chicken. Put chicken pieces one by one to the hot oil. Once one side is cooked, turn over and cook another side. Cook on medium to low flame for 10 minutes. When both sides of the chicken are nicely caramelized, take out. Chop off cooked chicken once it is cooled down. Discard the bones if it have. Now take a burger bun, slit through the mark. Rotate slightly to have a 2 equal crust of buns. Apply some butter, toast on low heat. You will get 2 slices of nice crunchy golden brown buns. Now it's assembling time. Apply mayonnaise on the both crusts of the bun. On the lower crust, top up with lettuce leaves, onion ring, load it up with cooked chicken morsels. Drizzle some cheese sauce, then 1 slice of cheese, tomato slice. Finally cover it up with the top crust of the bun. Now here comes the mesmerizing moment. Pour cheese sauce on the center of the round mold. Take off the mold now. Look at the molten cheese dripping down the burger. This is the most amazing molten cheese moment. This recipe has come out really super cheesy. Do try at home. Serve this molten cheese burger with some French fries or any kind of chips on the side.